Hello students. Now we'll be studying SCF, that is highest common factor. GCD, both are same, greatest common divisor. Now before you study that, we'll study something very basic. Let us study what is prime number. What is prime number? Now, you start writing the number 1. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number, so we start with 2. We start with 2. Now, 2 is the prime number. 2 you cannot break into components. It is 2 ones are. You can write 2, but 2 is not a composite number, neither a prime number. So 2, the prime number starts with 2. 3 is a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. Why? It is a composite number. You can write 2 into 2, 4. 5 is a prime number. You cannot break 5. 6 is a composite number. You can write 3 into 2. 7 is a prime number. You cannot break 7, so it's a prime number. 8 you can write 2 into 4. 9 you can write 3 into 3. 10 you can write 2 into 5. 11 is a prime number. You cannot break into composite number. You can just multiply by 1. So it is a prime number. 12 it is 2 into 6. 13 is a prime number. You cannot break it into composite number. 14 is a composite number, 2 into 7. 15 is 3 into 5. So this is composite number. 16 is 2 into 8. 17 you cannot break, it is prime number. 18 is 2 into 9. 19 is a prime number. You cannot break 19. 20 is 2 into 10. So these are composite number which can be broken into composite numbers. You can multiply them with composite numbers, so they are composite numbers. But the one which do not have composite numbers, they are prime numbers. So 2 is prime number. 3 is prime number. 5 is prime number. 7 is prime number. 11 is prime number. 17 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. Rest are composite number. As the number goes on increasing, you will have composite as well as prime number. Now, some numbers like 11 and 13, 11 and 13, 5 and 7, 5, 7, 11, 13. The difference is 2. The difference is 2, so they are known as twin prime numbers. So what are twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers. The difference of numbers, prime number should be 2. So here the difference between 3 and 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore 5 and 3, they are twin prime numbers. Now here 11 and 13, the difference is 2. 13 minus 11 is 2. Therefore 13 and 11, they are twin prime numbers. They are twin prime numbers. Now you see 17 and 19. 19 minus 17 is 2. Therefore, 19 and 17, they are twin prime numbers. They are twin prime numbers. So this concept of prime numbers you have understood. You have understood twin prime numbers. Now next you will be learning what is coprime. What is coprime? So let us study what is coprime. Now coprime is they are not prime number, they are composite number, but still they do not have anything in common. So mutually they are coprime, they are prime mutually, and therefore they are known as coprime. So you study what is coprime. What is coprime? Now let us take the number 10 and 21. Factorize those numbers. 2 into 5 is 10 and 7 and 3. 7 into 3 is 21. So these are the factors. These are the factors. These numbers are not prime number. 10, 21, they are not prime numbers, but they don't have anything in common, and therefore they are known as coprime. And they can also be said as mutually prime numbers. They are mutual, आपस में, they are mutually prime numbers. They are coprime. And they are also known as relatively prime numbers. They are relatively prime numbers. So the concept of coprime is very simple, that it should not have any number in common. Their factors should not be common. Now after you have studied, you have learned this basic concept of prime numbers and coprimes and twin primes. You will be learning how to factorize before you study HCF. You have to learn how to factorize the number, and then once you have understood how to factorize, then learning HCF becomes easy. So now I take a number 24. So I can factorize. How? 24 I can write it as 2 into 12. Now further I can write 2 into 6. Further I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now, after this, I cannot factorize further. So, what are the factors? 2, 2, 2 and 3. So, which are the factors? 2 and 3 are the factors. 2 and 3 are the factors of 24. Now, this is a horizontal method of factorization. You can also have a vertical method of factorization. 24 you write and you start with 2. Then here you know it is 12. Again you can divide it by 2, it is 6. Then again you divide it by 2, you get 3. And then 3, it is finally 1. So here these are the factors. You write it vertically or horizontally. These are the factors. Now, after you have factorized 24, let us take another number 32, factorize it and see what is common. Now 32 I can write, I can factorize 32. I can factorize 32. Now 32 is equal to 2 into 16. Now this 16 can be further factorized 2 into 8. Now 2 into 2 into 8 I can write 2 into 4. Now here further 4 I can factorize 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now this is factorized. I can similarly factorize 32 vertically also. So 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have factorized this 24 and 32. Now let us see what is common in them. This 2 is common? Yes. So you write HCF is equal to this 2 common you have written. Now this 2 is common? Yes, this 2 is common. Again you write 2. Now this 2 is common? Yes, this 2 is common. So all these numbers which are common are written down. Now 3 is 3 present here? No. So this is not a common factor. So 3 is not there. These 2 and 2, they are not here. So they are not included in HCF. What is included in HCF? Only the numbers which are common. So which are common? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Only these numbers are common. So that forms HCF. It's very simple, and slowly with bigger numbers you have to factorize, learn the tables so that it will be easier for you. You have to learn the tables up till at least 25 so that they become easier. So the concept is very easy. Here you just have to take the common numbers which are common in both. There might be three numbers where you have to take out the HCF, 4, 5. But if you have understood at this stage, you can do similarly for more numbers. So here you can multiply now. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. So what is the HCF? 8 is the HCF. 8 is the highest common factor. It can divide both the numbers. 8 can divide 24. 8 3s are 24. The remainder is 0. Again 8 can divide 32. 8 4s are 32. So which is the highest divisor? Greatest common divisor, it is 8. Highest common factor, it is 8. It is same thing. Now let us, if you have followed this, then it will be easy to do any further HCF. So here let us take more numbers to find the HCF. Let us take the number 60, 12 and 36. We might do vertically or horizontally. The answer remains same. So I take the number 60, 12, 36. Now I factorize it. In sums, if you learn to do vertically, it will be easy for you. So now let us start with 2. If you divide this, naturally it is going to be 30. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 18s are 36. Again you take 2 and you divide, you get 15. You get 3, you get 9. Now you divide by 3, Here you get 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now further you cannot divide. So these are the number which are not divisible. Up till when all the three are divisible with same number, those numbers that form the HCF. So now you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So now HCF is how much? 12. HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Now you will see that this 12 is also a common number. So whenever the smallest number can divide the other two big numbers, then that becomes the HCF. So 12 can divide 60. 12 5s are 60 and 12 3s are 36. So 12 can divide 60, 12 can divide 36. So here 12 is the HCF. So these are for very simple numbers. But there is another method for finding HCF for bigger numbers. So let us see what is the method. It is known as the division method of finding HCF. Division method of finding HCF. Division method of finding HCF. Now let us take a number of 144 and 252. This is whenever it's big number, it is easier to find by this division method. So now listen carefully. Now what you have to do is just divide this number. Now 144 ones are, now it will go only by 144. So now 12 minus 4 is 8. And now 12 you have minused it. So here you get 0. 2 minus 1, it is 108. Now you have got this as remainder. This is the divisor and you have got the remainder. Now what you put this divisor here, you make this remainder as divisor and this previous divisor you put here for dividing. So first step you have started dividing. You have got some remainder. So now you have got the remainder and you put the divisor here. Divisor, first divisor, you divide by the remainder. Now let's see how it goes. Now again it is going to be by 108. You write here 14 minus 8, it is 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 here 3, 36. Now you have got 36. This is the remainder. Now previous divisor you put here. 108 you put here. Now 36 into 3 is 18. 1 3 3s are 9, 108. So 36 3s are 108. Here the remainder now is 0, 0. You have to divide till you get 0. Till you get 0. So now these two numbers 144 and 252, what is the HCF? HCF is HCF or GCD is 36. The last number which you get is the HCF. I hope you have understood this method. Here you have to take the bigger number, here dividend, and here divide smaller number as divisor. You get the remainder, you divide the divisor. and again when you get the remainder, you divide this divisor till you get 0, and when you get the last number divisor, the last divisor would be the HCF, highest common factor, greatest common divisor. So this is the HCF. Now you will see that 36 into 4 you can multiply, 24 to carry, 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 144. So this can be divided by 36 to get 4. Now again 36 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. 4 carry, 7 3s are 21, plus 4 it is 252. So here it can be multiplied by 4. 36 multiplied by 4 is 144, and 36 multiplied by 7 is 252. So here HCF is 36. This is a method of division for higher numbers where factorization is not so easy. So this is a very simple method of finding HCF. Bye-bye.